welcome back to the Lady Marcella channel. Alright, so today something exciting is going to happen. I've got my apron on and I will be making some Japanese gyoza today. I know, right? Me making gyoza, but don't worry. We have got our very own trusted wrapper, which I bought, but the filling I'll be making from scratch. So today I'm going to take you on an adventure to make gyoza in my kitchen. Let's go. So in goes the chicken, around about 200 grams of chicken fillet, which I have now chopped up. Oh, and then along with that, some prawns. It's always nice to mix chicken and prawns because the prawns gives it a much more tastier taste. That's what they say. Alright, so in goes the prawns. And then right over here, I've got some Chinese cabbage, some chives, and garlic and ginger. So all of that is also going into the food processor. Okay. It's easier to just do it in the food processor because it does all the heavy lifting. And then all the other spices, or all the other part of it. 1 teaspoon. Let's check here. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Okay, this is our sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Oopsie. That's a little too much, like a teaspoon, but that's okay. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. We're going to use some soy sauce. Okay. Soy sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so I'm going to use some pink salt. The black pepper, just as much as I want, or as little as I want. Cool. Ready for the food processor. Alrighty, so let's try to now pleat it. Hopefully it doesn't look too weird or too amateur. Maybe it does. Okay, so we gotta put some water around, kind of like a glue. It acts like a glue. Okay, and then take this baby here, and then we start to pleat it. Okay, got it. One side Okay guys, this is the product. So I have fried the bottom. So it's a little bit crispy at the bottom and then soft and steamed on top. So we're gonna do a taste later.
Hello! Welcome back everybody! Okay, so I'm done now making the gyoza and I'm here with the girls, Afika and Astana. Yes. And now we are going to do a taste of the gyoza.
And then we have to try if it's nice or bad or not.
I hope it's good or else I'm gonna be in lots of trouble. Alright, shall we go and eat?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Okay, we're ready for the test.
Yep.
Okay, moment of truth. Are we gonna eat it?
Yep.
Okay, so this is the soy sauce. Let me just show them. We've got some Kikkoman soy sauce. And then we've got some dumplings or gyoza. Okay.
Okay. So we have to dip it in.
You have to dip it in the soy and then you have to eat it.
Yeah. Let's try. Okay.
Okay.
Try.
Alright,
I can't see your face.
You first, Afika. Try.
Just like that. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10! Woohoo! Okay, and you, Askana? Do you like it?
10 above. I don't know how to 10 say out of 10? Yeah.
I promise I didn't pay them to say 10 out of 10. But high five! Thanks, girls! We'll make more.
Wait, do it again. High five again.
High five again.
Wait, look, two hands. It's 10 out of 10.
Alright, let's eat.
I'm mixing. comment, and share, and subscribe on Auntie